What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I had a lot of questions about the $5,000 roller. A lot of you were very disappointed, and I'm sorry. I'm just here to help you out and take you along for the ride as we do these projects. So, this is what we're about to do. I'll kind of walk you through it. So, like I said, this is your project car, all right? You guys you're us right now. You're like, what do I do? Where do I start? There's so much to do. Yes. Yeah, there's a lot to do. First thing you do, get all the shit out you don't need. We're about to do it. Let's get after it. So, if you plan on having any kind of performance, you got to get your 7.5 rear end out, which is what we're about to do. Wore out, busted AOD, got to go. And this old non-HO, formerly CFI,
you know, this look,
yeah,
junk over
just crap. It's all got to go. So, dive in. Grab your tools. Let's go. Guys, I need you to listen up because this is a big deal. I got some messages from some of the Ultimate members, and then we ran a poll regarding our Tremec transmission giveaways. And guess what? Some guys said, hey, I don't really need that, but I've got a lot of other stuff I need to get my build done. And I was like, you know what? You're right. So we ran a poll. All the members voted, and guess what? We have added a cash option now for the Tremec giveaways. What that means is if you don't need a TKX or you don't need a Tremec, but you're trying to finish your engine or you're trying to finish your interior or whatever else you're trying to finish on your car, now you get the cash option. I think that's pretty epic. The goal is to give back to the members that help make what we do possible, and in that also, I want you to get your car finished. So anything we can do to help you get your car finished, we're doing. So if you have not signed up for the premium membership, I suggest you sign up right now because we're making it better every freaking day. Hit the link, become a member. We just made it a whole lot better. You want me to go ahead and drop this guy, Shane? Yeah. Nothing's coming out. Yeah. Scrap metal. Back down. That's a brand new, it'll drop through right there. Uh-oh.
There we go. She's free.
Swinging. Burn. Yeah. It's gonna be sketchy.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Look, it just wants to come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, get me the hell out of here. Oh,
There you go. Oh, transmission line.
what is this? Oil cylinder? No. Even this is. Oh. Yeah.
Temp.
And AC.
Hello, look all that doing.
Damn, that just disintegrated.
Yeah, just
Rip it.
yeah, unplug the oil center.
That's it.
Yeah, it's making it look all like that. You going? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on out. Let me move this back.
Did the lift go down anymore?
Yeah, Robin.
Yeah.
I think we're on it. Yeah, it's coming on.
Oh, we got a ground screw.
Oh, here.
Yeah. 8. Full cut. Oh. What is this? Oh,
Nothing else left.
yeah. Come on up. I feel like it's still hanging.
You're caught
Oh.
something over here.
Wouldn't dead at it. There we go. Yeah.
Yep, more didn't move to come out.
Don't you clear that pan with me? Wash the paint now. Wash the paint.
Yeah, you want to go. I gotta go up a little more, right? Come sit with the damn cart right here.
You want to? Should be good. You want me to lift the trains and push the car out?
No.
She's empty. Ready for something much better. A lot better. But we gotta get all this junk out too.
Well, you're up, huh?
Yeah. And there's a lot. There it is. Anybody need it? Come get it. What do you think? $100? Come get it.
Oh, yeah, it take one more than that.
Yeah, intake is. I don't know if that's a performer or what was that?
It's not, bro.
Yeah, that's a nice intake.
It's not even a Chinese.
What's that? Performer 289 and a new Edelbrock car. Yeah, I forgot about the carburetor too. All right. Now get the rest of this junk out of here.
Look at that hole smaller.
Yeah, it is.
And the connector makes just big.
Come on, man. Yeah. That's it. So there it is. The 85 CFI harness. It is out. No more CFI.
We'll see if I
was honestly wondering if this ECU would look a little different. It's an MF. Still an EC 4. Pretty cool. F3G. I didn't know. Never seen a CFI ECU, but there it is. Looks just like the other ones. So, this is a good start. Getting everything out of the way that you don't need. It's the best way to get started with your project car. Also helps you kind of get an idea of what you got, what you're working with. And then, like, say your project car's got this. Guess what? Sell it. I mean, even if you get $500 for it, so what? You're $500 into your new project. That's the way, man. So once you get it nice and stripped and rolling, at that point, I would push it out and get the pressure washer after it and just get everything as clean as as possible. Whether or not you're gonna regardless of what you're going to do. If you're not going to paint it, then you still have to clean it. If you are going to paint it, then you still have to clean it. So it just gives you a nice working area where you're not going to get, you know, kind of like this. I mean, you guys know, you worked on Fox bodies. Everything you touch is nasty. Freaking mess. So we do have a tubular K member over at Steve's house, and we're going to run and get that. We're going to put that in there because the engine that's going in this car is going to be the Edelbrock Victor Jr. headed with the Holly front end. We're putting all that and a manual in this car. So that being said, if this was your project car, another thing you could do, or you know, we're going to have to do, we're going to have to get in here and put pedals in it because this was an original automatic car. So that's something else you can do. And the reason I tell you that is because maybe you're kind of stalled out because you don't have money to buy parts, you know, for whatever you need, or paint supplies or whatever. That doesn't matter. There's always something you can be doing to get yourself ahead. Yank out the pedals, pull apart the interior, do your cleaning, and do your dyeing, all of that good stuff. So, like I said, you don't have to just constantly be spending money and putting new parts on. There's a lot of other junk you can do. Another thing you need to be checking on these cars, pulling your air boxes. Yeah. Pull your fan motors, all that stuff. All of that crap was in the bottom of the fan case. I mean, look. Don't spend a bunch of money and put your car all back together without checking stuff like this. Project cars, man. Welcome to project car life. Like I said in the last video, it needs a heater core, you know, part of it. That door handle's broke. So there you go, guys. Follow along with us. We're doing this as cheaply and as easily and as backwoods as possible. Look, we're even in the old building, sweating our ass off. It's like 95 degrees. But the lesson here is, when you got a project car, just be ready to work and try to have a plan. Like, you know, we kind of know what direction we're going with this, so we know what needs to be done. What I don't want you to do is start a project and you don't have a freaking clue what you want to do. You know, you can't just say, well, I want to build a badass Fox body and start tearing shit out. Doesn't work that way. You know, you might be, there's a lot of work that you may be doing that you don't have to do, or stuff that you're not doing that you should be doing, and vice versa. So have a little plan. That's part of the fun of a project, is laying it out, planning it out, having a vision for what you want to do. As far as the end game, the end result of the car, that is the way, boys. Now, of course, it's going to change over the course of it. You know, you might change your mind. You know, maybe you get a run up on a deal on something. That's fine. But you need to have some sort of game plan so you're not just spinning your wheels and this car ends up back out in the woods and never gets finished. Boys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, the point here is I want you to finish your projects. Don't let it be like this car that just sits and sits. And all the other cars all the other cars we've done out here have been just sitting. Someone's grand project idea that never happened. Get your project. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.